The practice question we want to attend to: a hotel has 8 single rooms and 14 double rooms. The costs per night of single and double rooms are $30 and $50 respectively. Use a matrix method to show how much money the hotel makes per night when full. And before we go into it, please join the family by subscribing, liking, sharing, following, and commenting. Matora tinoita that question. We are told that a hotel has 8 single rooms and 14 double rooms. Saka, let us write the number of rooms as a column matrix. Kurava kuti inge yakadai so: 8 single rooms and 14 double rooms, like that. Zvobva zvanzi, the costs per night of single and double rooms are $30 and $50 respectively. Saka a single room inoita $30, a double room ichita 50. We write this as a row matrix. Panozonzi use a matrix method to show how much money the hotel makes per night when full. Tatonyora the number of rooms, both single and double, as a column matrix, the amounts as a row matrix. We do what we have to do first. We predetermine kuti answer yedu inofanira kubuda yakaita sei. Panapa, this is how many rows do we have? We have 1 and 2 columns multiplying. Panapa, how many rows do we have? We have 2 rows and a single column. We put our box, cancel out zviri pakati. Our answer should be a 1 by 1. I'm using a different color because this can be done, or actually should be done, on your rough paper. Kunoku, we just want to see the working. But when you do exercise, I want you to do this. Ndiratidze this part. Ndoda kuiona kuitira kuti ndione kuti maibata here. But in your examination, munongoita zvatikuisa in white. Saka panapa, we know that this should be a 1 by 1. Correct, it's 1 row times 1 column. It's a single number. We are going to be multiplying 30 times 8. As should be done. Because 8 single rooms, 1 room ichita $30. Kuti tizive the total amount, it's 30 times 8. And this should add 50 times 14. Like that. What is 30 times 8? 8 times 0, that's 0. 8 times 3, 8, 16, 24. So it's 240 plus. Then what is going to be 50 times 14? So 14 times 50, 0. Up it's 20, carry 2, 5, 6, 7. So it's 700. 240 plus 700, which is equal to 0.4789 $940, of course. That will be our answer. Saka, this is basically what we wanted to learn. You have any questions? The comments, and also my direct contacts.